A pair of linear equations. The general form for a pair of linear equations in two variables x and y is a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equal to 0. a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equal to 0, where a1, b1, c1, a2, b2, c2 are real numbers, and a1 square plus b1 square is not equal to 0. a2 square plus b2 square is not equal to 0. If a1 by a2 is not equal to b1 by b2, then the lines are intersecting lines and there is exactly one solution that is unique. If a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 is equal to c1 by c2, then the lines are coincident and there are infinitely many solutions. If a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 is not equal to c1 by c2, then the lines are parallel and there is no solution. Draw the graph of the following pair of linear equations. 3x plus 2y is equal to 5 and 2x minus 3y is equal to 7. Solution. To draw the graphs of given system of equations, we tabulate the values of x and y. 3x plus 2y is equal to 5. 2x minus 3y is equal to 7. The graph of the given system intersects at a point. So, the system has a unique solution.